Welcome everyone. So I'm going to show you how to configure your SSH, and I got a message that someone have a issue with the SSH. So let's begin. For example, I want to check the SSH is already installed or not. So I will give you a few commands. So for example, apt install openssh server. It's installed. It's here. All open SSH server is installed and newest version. So also I'm going to check it's running or not. So netstat minus -lnd and grep ssh, and it's working on port 22 here. So I'm going to set my SSH key. So let's begin. SSH, which key, generate, and it will ask you where you want to save it. It will save it in the root /.ssh, and you press enter. If you want to give your password, you give it. No, I'm gonna press enter and enter, and this is the SSH. So here I'm going to check it ls -al, and it's here, the SSH. So cd ssh, and you have your private key and you have your public key. Make sure you don't give anyone your private key. I recommend that this is your private key, so it's your for you only. So I'm going to for the public key here, and I'm gonna copy it. I'm going here for the other machine, and I'm going for the authorized keys. I'm going to put it here and save it. And also I'm going to create a file, because there is no files here, so authorized keys. So I'm going to create a file here which is authorized keys. I'm going to copy the public of the other machine here and save it. So here I want to SSH to the other machine. So here is the IP address of the machine here. So I'm going to SSH root, which is the user here, is the root. Put it in the root, and the IP address of the machine. It will ask you to connect, and you press yes. Oh, sorry. Say yes, and you connect to here. So this is a really simple way, and I'm going to show you how to change your reports. So here I'm going for the etc ssh. So here I'm going for the -c ssh config. I'm going support here, which is port 22. So let's test it here. So I'm going ssh before I change anything, because I'm going to show you how this works. So root at the IP address of the machine, and it connect, and here's the machine. I'm inside this machine. So I'm going to exit, and here I'm going to change support line number 5. So I'm going whatever you want, it's up to you. So I'm going to give it as a 300 and save it, and service ssh restart. So netstat, and I'm going to check it's running. So it's running on 300. So I'm going to connect again. So it said the port connection refused, because you changed the port. So how to connect to it? So -b and 300, and you connect. So This is a simple way. So now I'm going to configure the way which is the other video to make the config file. So nano config, the config file, and I'm going to say the host, which is the other machine. So I'm gonna call it as a other machine, other machine, and I'm going to give the host name of the machine, which is the IP address of the machine, and the new thing you have to do it is the I'm going to make it so that the user is the root. Okay, I'm going to save it, and I will go for the SSH and other machine. So it's connection refused because you didn't put the port. What is the new thing? What I will put it here? It's a port. The port is 300 and SSH other machine, and you connect. So the new one is a port. So if you just put the port and you connect to the other machine. I hope this video going to be helpful for you, and thank you really for watching the video. Thank you.